the RX8 Hot Start versus Cat Dio's secret hack. See the temperature. Actually, the temperature's over there cold. Notice how quickly it started. Now with the rotary engine, you don't really want to start it and go. You want to wait minimum 3 minutes. So while we're doing that, I'm going to pop the hood and show you what I've done. Clean battery terminals. Clean them up real good. Both of them. Then I went ahead with the Dielectric Grease. Applied it on all the electrical connections that I can quickly disconnect and reconnect. Did that. This one here is for your barometric pressure. That's for the air pump. The starter sits way down low, close to the exhaust area, so it picks up a lot of heat. And that's, you can attribute some of the start problem with that. Okay, we're back. So we put more than 15 miles. This is a good 20-minute ride, maybe more. So the temperature is more than hot. So we're gonna turn off the engine, and then in about 5 minutes we're gonna try that hot start. And we'll see if there's any improvements with the improvements I've done so far. Alright, so in about 3 minutes we'll restart and see what happens. Okay, so we just killed the engine after about 25 minutes of driving. Here we go. Let's look at the state of battery charge. 12.79. Alright, well, that's pretty healthy. So as far as hot start issue, it's not gonna come from the battery. Okay, let's see what happens. How about that? Started, idling pretty good. Rev it up. Good oil pressure. Now that is a legitimate hot start. And it's good. I'm happy.